Welcome back, traders. The artificial intelligence trading indicator I will share in this video is a game changer. With smart learning, it makes accurate trades, avoiding losses in tricky market zones. It learns from past moves, adjusting signals for better results. In today's simple guide, I'll show you how to use it to make money in any market. We will even add another secret indicator that not many people know about to maximize our wins. So let's see how this strategy works in detail. So I'm in TradingView, and this is what our chart is going to look like when we're done setting up our indicators. I'm going to be using a Bitcoin chart on a 15-minute time frame to explain this strategy. This strategy is applicable on shorter time frames like 5, 15, and 30 minutes. This strategy is extremely simple to understand, and traders of any skill level can gain benefits from this strategy. First of all, let's remove these indicators from the chart so I can explain everything from the beginning. To apply the first indicator to the chart, open the indicator section and search for machine learning V-Wap. After that, add this one created by yin-yang algorithms. If you're not familiar with V-Wap, volume weighted average price, let me explain it to you in simple words. Volume weighted average price is a trading benchmark used by traders and investors. It's calculated by multiplying each transaction price by its volume, adding these values together, and then dividing by the total volume of these transactions. Essentially, it gives you an average price for a security, like a stock or a commodity that reflects both price and volume. V-Wap can act as support and resistance, as well as a magnet for price. The machine learning V-Wap, on the other hand, uses machine learning to identify the best location for the V-Wap, rather than use a traditional fixed length or simply adjust based on a date and time. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. V-Wap may act similar to a Bollinger Band in the sense that they help to identify both overbought and oversold price locations based on previous movements and help to identify how far the price may move within the current trend. However, unlike Bollinger Bands, V-Wap have the ability to get quite spaced out and also reset. For this reason, the price may never actually go from the lower to the upper and vice versa. The reason for this is due to how the anchor location is calculated, and in this specific indicator, how it changes anchors based on price movement calculated within machine learning. Due to how the anchor for this V-Wap changes, you may notice that the basic orange line may act as a trend identifier. When the price is above the basis line, it may represent a bullish trend or a buying trend. And likewise, it may represent a bearish trend or a selling trend when below it. If you are wondering which exchange I trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on, you can press the link below this video and take a look at Bybit. On this platform, you can easily make a deposit from your bank account and trade over 150 cryptocurrencies. You can use leverage up to 100 times while trading to make profits even faster. In addition, you can use a four-price layout to keep an eye on multiple cryptocurrencies at the same time. If you also want to trade on this exchange, visit Bybit through the link below this video, because through the link, you will get a deposit bonus up to $30,033. There is one more thing to notice when a trend occurs. The price may push all the way to the upper or lower levels of this V-Wap. It may then proceed to move horizontally until the V-Wap expands more. It may gain more movement, or it may correct back to the basis line. If it corrects back to the basis line, it either uses the basis line as a support or continues in its current direction. Or it will change the V-Wap anchor and start a new one. Expansion may be caused by time, but generally it may be caused by price movement, and volume exponential price movement causes V-Wap to expand, even if there are price corrections to it. However, note that volume adds a large weighted factor to the calculation, and that is the main reason it is called volume weighted average price. Now, sometimes there may be times when both volume and price movement aren't significant enough to cause much of an expansion during this time. It may be considered to be in a state of consolidation. When such a correction to V-Wap occurs, check the market trend. This indicator makes it easy to recognize bullish and bearish trends since it colors upper and lower bands. When the trend is bullish, the bands are green in color, and when the trend is bearish, the bands are red in color. So in short, buying at the correction to the baseline while the trend is bullish is the most effective strategy for buy trades, and it is likewise for a sell trade. We will go through practical examples later in the video, but before that, sometimes during the correction phase, the market loses momentum and the price keeps consolidating. This is due to lack of market volatility, and opening a trade during such time can cause unpredictable outcome. We as traders want to control as much as we can. That's why I will add one more indicator to the chart that will cancel many false alerts that are created due to low volatility. So in the Indicators tab, we will search for the L1 Volatility Quality Index and add this one created by Black Cat. The Volatility Quality Index, or VQI, is an indicator used to measure the quality of market volatility. The volatility on this indicator is presented in the form of a histogram on the price chart. The higher VQI values indicate better quality of market volatility, while lower values suggest poorer quality of volatility. We will confirm the VWAP signals using this volatility indicator. So now that our chart is complete, let's go through the complete rules for entering a buy and sell trade using this strategy. So for a buy trade, the following conditions should be met. First of all, the price must break above from the range to the upside, just like it did here. Secondly, the VWAP channel must widen and the gap between the green bands should increase. Thirdly, the price must pull back to the baseline, like it did here. After that, the fourth and final rule is that you buy when the indicator produces a buy signal, and the signal is confirmed by high volatility. These are the rules that need to be fulfilled before we can open a buy position. So I will open a buy position here. The stop loss will be set at the recent swing low, and the take profit target will be set at 2 times the risk. Now, let's see if the price will hit our target or not. Once the price reaches the upper VWAP band, adjust the stop loss to break even. I hope you have understood the rules for entering a buy trade using this strategy. Now let's go through the rules for entering a sell trade using this strategy. If you don't want to analyze prices yourself, you can join my Telegram group to get free buy and sell signals. The link is in the description below this video. So we will do the exact opposite for sell trades. First of all, the price must break below the range to the downside, like it did here. Then we will wait for the VWAP channel to become wider, and the band should be red in color. As we already know, the red color of the bands indicates a downtrend. Then we will wait for the price to pull back to the baseline, like it did here. And finally, just like we did in buy trades, we will sell when the indicator produces a sell signal and the signal is confirmed by high volatility. So I will open a sell trade here. Our stop loss for sell trades will be set at the recent swing high, and the take profit target will remain the same. In the case of sell trades, once the price reaches the lower VWAP band, adjust the stop loss to break even. I hope you guys liked this strategy. Make sure to back test and forward test it before trading live, and also feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.